Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. So today I have taken a question from number theory. Let a, b, c and d be non-negative numbers such that a is less than equal to 1, b is less than a plus b equals less than equal to 5, a plus b plus c is less than equals to 14 and a plus b plus c plus d is less than equals to 30. We have to prove that square root of a plus square root of b plus square root of c plus square root of d is less than equals to 10. So this question is not difficult. We can prove it, but we will learn another new concept today through this question. So when given that a is less than equals to 1 and a plus b is less than equal to 5, this gives that b is less than equals to 5 minus 1, that is 4. The same way, a plus b plus c is less than equals to 14. So if we put a plus b as 5, then this gives me c is less than equals to 9. Now a plus b plus c plus d is less than equals to 30. So if we put a plus b plus c as 14, this gives that d is less than equals to 16. Then square root of a plus square root of b plus square root of c plus square root of d is less than equals to your square root of 1 plus square root of 4 plus square root of 9 plus square root of 16 plus equals to square 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is less than equals to 10. It is proved. So square root of a plus square root of b plus square root of c plus square root of d is less than equals to 14. This is proved. But I am using a more mathematical way, that is this function is your square root of x. If 0 to infinite is function defined from 0 to infinite within the domain this, and defined by f of x equals to square root of x. So this is a concave function. So now for this concave function, what I am using this concept for any positive number real numbers, lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda n, such that lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3 up to lambda n equals to 1. If this condition is true, then we can write lambda 1 f of x1, this product, plus lambda 2 f of x2, so on up to lambda n f of xn is less than equals to f of lambda 1 x1, lambda 2 x2 up to lambda n xn. So here I am taking x1 in this way. I am taking your n is equal to 4 and my lambda 1 equals to 1 over 10, lambda 2 equals to 2 over 10, lambda 3 equals to 3 over 10, and lambda 4 equals to 4 over 10. And this x1, x2 I am taking in this way. X1 equals to your A, x2 equals to B over 4, x3 equals to C over 9, and x4 equals to D over 16. Then applying this concept, I can write lambda 1, 1 over 10, and square root A plus 2 over 10 square root B over 4 plus 3 over 10 square root C over 9 plus 4 over 10 square root D over 16 is less than equals to whole square root of 1 by 10 into A plus 2 over 10 into B over 4 plus 3 by 10 into your C by 9 plus 4 by 10 into D over 16. So in the next line, you get your, this is your nothing but your square 1 over 10 square root A plus 1 over 10 square root B plus 1 over 10 square root C plus 1 over 10 square root D, and see the right side, it will be A by 10 square root plus B by 20 plus C over 30 plus D over 40. So if you are really interested in number theory, I hope you will like this. Or this is equal to square root plus square root B plus square root of C plus square root of D over 10 is less than equals to, here this will be her 12A plus 6B plus 4C plus 3D over 120 whole square root, or square root of A plus square root of B plus square root of C plus square root of D is less than equals to 10 times. Now coming to this arrangement of this 12A, and here you need some critical thinking. So it will be 3 times of A plus B plus C plus D plus A plus B plus C plus 2 times of A plus B and 6 times of A, 120. Now we'll put the values. Square root of A plus square root of B plus square root of C plus square root of D is less than equals to 10 into square root of 3. A plus B plus C plus D is given to 30. Second one, A plus B plus C is given as 14 plus A plus B is given as 5 and A is 1. So this gives us square root of A plus square root of B plus square root of C plus square root of D is less than equals to, this is 90, 20, and this will be 120. 120 over 120 square root into 10 So this will be 10. So square root of a plus square root of b plus square root of c plus square root of d is less than or equals to 10. Proved. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.